Hey, what's happening, traders and investors? Welcome back to the Trading Analysis YouTube channel. Bennett Tyndall here, Tuesday afternoon, January 18th, 2022. Hope you're having a good new year. I wanted to take just a minute of your time and let you know about an upcoming Bitcoin webinar we have taking place tomorrow, Wednesday, January 19th, 12 p.m. Pacific, 3 p.m. Eastern. As you can see, Alex here introducing the webinar, going through the weekly chart of Bitcoin, all the way back to that December 2017 near $20,000 high, all the way down into the 3,100 area low. And I was just going to let this video play out, but I wanted to hit the pause button because Alex, brother, you are just way too humble. He has done an incredible job of guiding our clients through Bitcoin and other various cryptocurrencies. I wanted to take a minute and show you some of Alex's work, show you some of his analysis, and then talk about the upcoming webinar, again, taking place tomorrow afternoon. We're looking at a chart here, the daily chart of Bitcoin. This is going all the way back to December of 2017, where we had established a near $20,000 high. It was a parabolic break higher going into that objective, or that upside 20K objective. Off of the $20,000 high, this is from December of 17 through December of 2018, Bitcoin was in a correction. And what was interesting about this correction is as we were consolidating into the fall of 2018, the financial community came out and essentially said that $5,000 was the floor. If we broke below $5,000, Bitcoin network is done, Bitcoin is over as we know it. The reason they thought that would be the case is due to the fact that the mining cost of Bitcoin was about $5,000 a coin. So analysts didn't anticipate the break below 5,000. While everybody was expecting that to be the floor, Alex had a bit of a different opinion based on his analysis. This is a combination of Elliott wave and Fibonacci, traditional technicals. Alex brings his institutional background to the table as well. But he had a bit of a different take, and his opinion was that not only would $5,000 break to the downside, but that we would go all the way down to 3,100. If you follow Bitcoin, you'll know the December of 2018 low, just as retail traders begin to capitulate through that $5,000 support and into the $3,100 lows, that is where Alex expected a reversal to the upside. He was about 28 points off the low. His downside objective was 3,100. Based on Coinbase, the actual low was around 3,129. Incredible correction. And from there, he anticipated the break higher. And in fact, I was going through putting together an email for this webinar event, and I reviewed his trade log going back to June of 2019. So after calling the $3,100 low, he began to trade the long side move all the way up into June of 2019. His objective for June of 19 was 13,800. We got about 86 points above that, at which point he immediately flipped to the bearish side, started to short Bitcoin, and he actually put out a short position for our clients on June 26th, the day Bitcoin topped in the wave one position. From there, we have a big corrective retracement all the way down into March of 2020 when all of the U.S. and global markets had sold off due to the coronavirus pandemic. And then moving up into the $65,000 high that occurred in April of 21, again, he was one step ahead of the market. The financial community was anticipating an immediate rally straight to 100,000. Alex put out a wave count, put out a chart analysis, and essentially said, hey, wait a minute, we've got a corrective retracement. We've got a period of consolidation that we need to get through before $100,000 is even possible. And in fact, we met the $64,000, near $65,000 high and proceeded to enter about a 50% plus correction. Interestingly enough, as we break back above that level, going into the $68,000 high, he was on top of that, identifying it as a three-wave rally to the upside, again, keeping our clients out of the long side of the market during this period of consolidation. And he thinks there's another major turning point coming up in Bitcoin. So if you're interested in his outlook and how we can help you in your trading or investing journey, please check out the webinar. You can sign up tradinganalysis.com/webinar. Again, 12 p.m. Pacific, 3 p.m. Eastern, tomorrow afternoon, Wednesday, January 19th. We will, of course, be live tomorrow morning as well. Hope to see you all there, and I hope to see you in the webinar. Have a good one. Take it easy, and I'll see you on the next video.